Tomorrow I leave for home. I'm here in Wyoming right now, and I'm changing out the rubber. I went down to Martian Wheels with Drew and Alice Peterson, and they set me up with some all-weather tires. I didn't count on being so cold this season, so I'll get these summer tires off, and I'll get the new Martian wheels with new Pirelli rubber on it. So let's get to work. Okay, we are jacked up on the left side. Loosen the lug nuts with a breaker bar, and we're ready to go. Pull these tires off, stick some new ones on. The left side wheels are on, look pretty good. These are all season Pirellis. Light snow, should be good to go home. Now for the right side. Greg's looking to change that front right wheel.
Right.
Get this baby on, lower it and torque it. The Martian wheels are on with the Pirelli P7s. They're 20-inch wheels with the appropriate P7 to make it 21 inches. Going to take it for a run here. All four wheels are on and torqued. We'll head up this dirt road and then up onto the county road, and then I'll take it out on the highway for a short run and then bring it back and see how she all looking here. If you remember the last video, this was totally snow covered. Well, it's dried up now. Unfortunately, I think there's places that are pretty muddy. I'm going to take it easy. Try not to get the car too muddy. It's cold today. It's 51. I guess it's cold if you live in Florida or something, but up here it's a nice day in Wyoming. So let's get down to the end of the highway and we'll pick up again. Going over the cattle guard here. Well, I guess my buddies here are wondering what's going on, even that longhorn steer. That's okay. It's okay, boys, it's just a Tesla. I have made my way through the mud holes here, and hopefully there's not too much mud on everything. Where these shadows are, the trees block the sun, and the snow just continues to be there. Okay, I'm out on the highway. Let's bring the tires up to speed. Looks like the TPMS is reading. So let's take it on down the road here. I'm gonna shut the windows. All right, up to speed. Steering wheel is running straight, the road's not. And they seem to be pretty quiet, and they seem to be driving real well. So these are Pirelli P7 all-season tires on some Martian wheels. The Martian wheels are specifically designed for the offset in Tesla to allow you to add a larger wheel if you want. These have a offset to them, and they replace the Uber turbines here in the car, and they sure ride nice. I think it'll be just fine. So I'm going to go down to the end of the road here and make a U-ey and head back to the ranch here. All right, make sure nobody's coming. Doesn't look like it. We'll make a U-ey. We'll take this back up to speed. Balance seems great. They're humming right along. So this will be nice. I'm making my way down the road here, but I just want to talk to these guys and tell them what kind of car I'm driving. We'll roll down the window here. Hey boys, you probably haven't seen this before, but this is a Tesla Model Y. Yeah, it's a Model Y, and you don't hear it like those pickup trucks that come by here all the time. But nope, this is a Tesla Model Y. You'll probably see more of it later on. Guys, have a great day. See you later. Well, I enjoy educating everybody, including cows. They get to watch all of this traffic up and down this road. And as you saw, they were absolutely amazed at the Tesla. I would bet it's probably the only Model Y they've seen since they came out. Yeah, it's pretty wild. Oh man. There we go, get by that puddle. Anyway, on to the ranch. Well, I'm back from the test drive. Unfortunately, I had to drive through the mud. And I took it easy. And other than mud around the side and a little on the fender, they seem to fare okay. You don't want to get mud or dirt inside of the wheel because then it'll become imbalanced. Seem to hold up just fine. I'm going to check the torque on all four wheels and I should be ready to go. The torque has now been rechecked. Everything held up okay, but I want to show you an old school torque wrench. Yeah, you crank it in that little pointer here. Moves to whatever torque you want. Yep, that's old school. New ones click, but this does the job just fine. So we're set. All four wheels are torqued. I'll put the caps on and I'll be ready to roll in the morning. I found this Model T wheel. Look at that. Wouldn't that look awesome here on the Model Y? But I don't know if I can find any rims for it. It's awful big. Boy, it looks good though, doesn't it? I bet you want a set of Model T wheels on your Model Y. I know I do. Yeah, just look how thin this tire is. I bet you it's maybe 4.5, maybe 5 inches. I bet you'd get some awesome range if you had a tire this skinny. Darn. I wonder if Martian Wheels would make me a rim set to use this tire. How about it, Drew? The Martian wheel caps are on and it's ready to go. I've loaded the original summer tires. I think it's a pretty good solution. Backed up by both seats and they're in here. It should be okay. We'll see. I think I can get all the rest of my gear in here, no problem. I think I'm ready to go. Throw all my clothes and things in here and I should be there. I'll load up the rest of my stuff and I'll be out of here in the morning. The car sat here for about 2.5 weeks and it is charged and ready to go. So I'll be on the road in the morning early, going over the snowy range. I'll run a GoPro over the entire thing if anybody's interested. I'll make a separate video of that. It should be interesting as the sun comes up over the snowy range. Get it plugged in here. And we're charging. Peak it up overnight here. So some of you probably wondered why I was hard on the stock summer tires. Well, the fact of the matter was I had planned to get these Martian wheels and new tires for all season tires. And while it's probably not the best thing to run summer tires in the snow and super cold weather, I didn't necessarily care about them because they were coming off the car. Anyway, these new all-season Pirelli P7s and the Martian wheel combo was really excellent out on the road. Tomorrow I'm leaving. I'll be on the road and I'll give it 650 miles of test tomorrow. So thank you very much for watching this short video. I'm going to retorque the wheels here in a few minutes and then put it up until I leave tomorrow, get it loaded with all my goodies. So take care. I'll look for you again. And of course, if you're looking to buy yourself a Tesla, and who wouldn't, the referral link here shown at the bottom of the screen will get you 1,000 miles of free supercharging. It's absolutely free to you. You just go to that webpage, which is Tesla, and order your car. Thanks for watching. Take care, and I'll look for you in the morning.